Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can I will show a video. Remember ring to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell no. Say the video be better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And be sure to buy Ghana sugar bread. Sugar bread Ghana bread be a day. Then yes, start. You use 4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 100-gram butter, 1.5 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt. What the flour ne be good cake mixture? What the sugar na ka? Salt, yeast. What mixing it together? All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients in all. What the 1 tablespoon nutmeg account. We are now the butter na aka one margarine. No more machine then I'm mixing it together. Machine mix butter ni we are now the warm water and so on the there no. Would the begum little at a time na timia for me do. Na machine akoswa de NED. We are no machine beat from medium to high speed. I am ready now we yakoto working surface. Ana bo na we are the betom no so wo de oye kakra be yem said de do ne den enkekam. Oye born around we are that two bo animu. Wakata so na we just off for 1 hour. After 1 hour no na we yakoto working surface no na wabobo. Bo wia na de akoto prepare bread pie mu. Uwia no waba second one ba second one bebo no round nketewa na de akoto baking pie mu. Please, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Sizes need na style then open no. Open nketewa, obebo nketewa. Ana pen akese nso abebo na akese. Uwia no akatani na so we just for 1 hour. After 1 hour, na waji. No wa baking 180 degrees for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, no waji. One manajo ansa no wa serve. What the back taka cry then abrashe so. Say they so very shiny. Me ye na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Me matches and the kind I will share a video. Remember rave to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Say the video be better one sabeka. Now this our Ghana sugar bread recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.